What's good? Hello, what up? What's good all? Okay. Let's give a few more minutes for that to join. What's good, everyone? Are you guys having a great weekend? Okay, let me reduce the volume of the first. What's good, everyone? Are you guys having a great weekend? I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Okay. Yo, bro, Reborn Motivational Clips. Yo, what up? What up? What's good? So it's Sunday. The market is going to open in a few more hours. So it's best for us to be prepared and do some analysis. Find out where gold is going for the new week, right? It goes to the trading. So before we start, okay, hi sir, what up Joe? Hi, what up? That's good, Joe. Okay, I hope you guys all done with your weekend, okay, and ready for the new week, because it's going to be an interesting week. And last week also, it has been interesting. We have some reaction from gold, okay. We're gonna talk about it after this, but first let us wait for the other charters and wolves to join first, and we're gonna start, okay? So just chill, okay? Tell me how your weekend was, and also will you guys be ready for the new week, and how much profits you want to make for the new week, okay? So let's chill first, wait for the others to join. If you have friends who trade gold and also want them to also know where gold is going for the new week, just share them the link, this YouTube link, okay? It is a public live, so anyone can join. Just share the link, okay? Before we start, let's give maybe 3 or 5 more minutes for the others to join. We're gonna start, okay? So how's your, let me change the song, and we're gonna have a chat first. Okay, let's have a little bit of chat, okay, before we start talking about gold and plan our trades for the new week, okay? So this is the chart. I've marked some levels, a few zones for you guys already, but these levels mean nothing if you don't know why I drew them and what I mean by all these lines. So we're gonna talk about all these lines and all these zones first. Okay, from the high time frame, we're gonna do multi-time frame analysis. Okay, from top-down analysis, because that is how you do the best technical analysis is from the high time frame until the lower time frame. Okay, if you just focus on scalping, yes, some of you guys maybe just focus on the lower time frame to scalp. You can do that if you are a pro trader and already experienced enough, and you already know where the market is going, the direction, and also your levels. Yeah, sure, you can just tomorrow don't do this market analysis, don't do any technical analysis, just straight away open the charts and look at your low time frame, maybe M5, or even if you guys are the OGs, okay, just look at your M1 time frame and straight away find your entry levels and also make your profits for the new week. Okay, it has been an interesting week, okay, for the last week, because why? So much has been going on in the market last week, okay, and on the chart as well, we can see some interesting stuff that is happening on the weekly time frame, okay, and also on the daily time frame as well, okay. We're going to talk about it soon. And also I have few news standby for you guys, okay. We're going to talk about all this news and what do we have for the new week regarding the economic calendar and also the high impact news that is going to happen for the new week that we have to pay attention for, especially the news regarding the dollar, because we are trading gold. Okay, mostly we are trading gold here in my channel in the School of Chart. If you guys are new here, welcome. Okay, I'm Zach from the School of Charts. Okay, here on my channel, I'm just focusing on trading gold, but I also pay attention to all the instruments. It's just that I'm focusing on gold and trading gold every day with all the charters in my channel, public channel, and also my wolves in the Wolf of SOC channel. So Zach, how are you? Rabin Chetty said, how are you? What up? I'm doing great. Okay, I just finished my weekend, having a great time, and now ready for the new week. Okay, it's a new week, fresh week for us. So let's start fresh. Let's talk about the market. We're gonna do some analysis and talk a little bit about the fundamentals and also the news, and be ready to make profits tomorrow on Monday. Okay. So looks like Goldie Amar. Hello, what up, Goldie? Your name is Goldie, so it shows that you like to trade gold, right? Here we are all gold lovers, right? We trade gold every day because why? Some people say that gold is really volatile, and for me, that is also the reason why it is the best instrument for us to trade every day and make our profits by scalping. And also probably we can get intraday trades and also swing trades, sometimes even just by my scalping entries or scalping signals, okay? But of course, trading is always involving risk. So every time you want to place your trades, take your trades, always manage your risk wisely, okay? Despite whatever the current market conditions and despite whatever profits you make or losses you make, just remember to calculate your risk, manage your risk each time you want to take your trades, okay? Coach, the music is very loud. Okay, thank you so much for letting me know. Okay, that's what I want from you guys. Just be responsive, talk with me, engage with me, because I'm not doing this to talk alone. I need your guys' response. Thank you so much, Othman Al-Mashdani. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Thank you so much, bro. Okay, guys, I hope you guys are all ready for the new week. If you guys are, okay, spam me some fire emojis in the chat, and I'm gonna go straight away and not wasting any more time, because probably some of you guys still are not done with your weekend and have some other things to do. So let's go straight away into the analysis and talk about gold and where gold is going for the new week and how to trade gold. And if you want the free signals, of course, go into the description and join my Telegram channel, and you get all my free signals in the public channel. And also if you want more educations and more stuff, you can PM me and we'll have a chat, and I'm gonna just answer all the questions and probably share with you how you can open your trading account and start trading with me in my VIP channel and also public channel. Okay, so guys, looks like all of you guys are ready, right? Hello Zach, Rehan Han. Hello, what up Rehan? It's been a while. Okay Rehan, okay, it's good to see you are still here, you are back. Okay, so guys, in trading, okay, it's a long journey. Okay, don't take trading as just a short time maybe hobby for you guys. Some of you guys just took this as hobby, but for me it is a serious thing. This is my full-time job. I'm a full-time trader. This is what I've been doing, okay, every day. So for you guys, what I can say is, if you guys really want to make profits and become consistent and understand the market and get the full experience until you have your trading edge, the only way is to keep trading, keep learning, okay, whatever the result is, okay, just improve your knowledge and keep trading every day, and especially with the right guidance and also the right knowledge, okay. So I think you are all ready. Okay, I'm not gonna waste any more time. So let's talk about it. Let's go straight into the chart. So this is gold. Is the music still loud? Can you tell me? If the music is still loud, I'm gonna slow down a bit before we start, or else I'm just gonna continue. If the music is too loud, let me know in the comments. Okay, and also if you have any question, prepare questions and ask me at the end of this market analysis session. Okay, I will try to answer your question to the best of my knowledge and ability and also experience. So just prepare your questions and we're gonna go straight away to market outlook right now. Okay. Hello Zach, Ryan. Hello, what up bro? Ryan, it's good to see you. I hope you are having a great weekend. And right now, prepared for the new week. The market is going to open soon, in a few hours. It's going to be a new interesting week. And also last week, okay, let's talk about last week, what happened. Okay, I'm gonna talk about what happened on the charts and also what happens on the news regarding the fundamentals and also the market sentiments. And I'll provide you guys with my analysis and so what do I think about gold for the new week. Okay, it's going to be different a little bit about what I talked about last week. Because why? Because that is trading. Okay, maybe last week, based on the market movements, based on the technicals and also the fundamentals, we already make our analysis. But right now, after seeing a new update or a new shifts in the fundamentals and also the geopolitics sides, and also we can already see on the charts, gold is doing what? Right now it is going bullish last week. So it is best for us to update our analysis and plan ahead for our new week. So guys, let's talk about it. This is gold on the monthly time frame. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, okay, initially last week, okay, we saw that gold is looking like it is gonna make a bearish engulfing candle with this monthly candle. It is not closing yet. We still have a few more days, a week left before this monthly candle closes. But right now, based on last week market reaction, we can already see that gold suddenly last week make a bullish reaction and drag this whole bearish move from this monthly candle to the upside and looking like it is forming like a bearish hammer candle. Okay, so last week this monthly candle is looking strongly bearish, but right now it's not looking strongly bearish anymore. Why? Because it is closing like this on the monthly time frame. Even though it is not closing fully yet, we still have 1 week left to trade. So let's go into the weekly time frame and see what happens. Okay, this is the most important time frame right now. Because why? Okay, because last week what happens was the weekly candle closing with a strong bullish momentum. Okay, with a bullish engulfing pattern. Okay, when the past 2 weeks before that, it closes strongly bearish. Okay, this happened when Trump winning the US presidential election, and everyone, maybe probably big investors, are optimistic about Trump's future policies and buying the dollar, and gold taking a reaction with the news and dropping really hard. Okay, because by that time, okay, the fundamentals is also looking strongly bullish for the dollar, and also the dollar already went up. That's why gold is dropping. But last week, okay, this is what happened. We made a strong bullish closing with a bullish engulfing pattern, closing above the previous week's candle. So this tells me that based on the technicals, okay, on the weekly chart, gold is looking bullish. Okay, so that is the information that we got on the weekly time frame. Even though it already broke this minus trend line on the weekly time frame, but right now it is going back up, trying to probably retest or maybe reach back those trend line. Okay, but this is also a daily trend line, so let's go to the daily time frame and see what I'm talking about. Okay, on the daily time frame, okay, this is gold on the daily time frame. From the daily time frame as well, you can see that gold had a strong bullish trend for a while. Okay, and then here when Trump won the election, gold suddenly make a huge drop. Okay, and then testing this bullish daily trend line and finally made a beautiful retest. Okay, based on my strategy, if you guys are learning with me, this is my beautiful roller coaster setup. Because after it broke the trend line, made a beautiful retest, it straight away continued the bearish momentum to the downside. But finally, it found support at this daily time frame at these levels, 35.60. And then for last week, okay, for the whole week from Monday up until we're closing the candle on Friday, gold straight away made a bullish pump to the upside, okay, and the strongest candle that we have is on Monday and also on Friday. So what this tells me on the daily time frame, you can see clearly that, okay, based on this daily time frame, gold easily broke this daily kind of like resistance, and also the point that where gold broke this daily trend line and made a beautiful retest before continuing the bearish momentum. But then on Friday last week, okay, when gold reaches this level at around, okay, 2700, okay, it is also a big round number, okay, and also psychological level. Usually when an instrument, especially gold, we are trading gold, when it reaches big round numbers, usually it will have a strong reaction if those levels we're gonna hold. For this example, okay, the most logical expectation for us is for this resistance to hold and for gold to make a strong bearish reaction when it reaches this daily resistance. Previously it was a daily resistance, but now I wrote this as H4 RBS, which means H4 resistance becomes support. So it made a strong bullish closure on the daily time frame above this H4 RBS with a really small wick. Okay, so this tells me that gold had a really strong bullish momentum, and up until Friday it made an easy break above this trend line, above this resistance, and closing above it. Okay, to see clearer, let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what happens. Okay. This is the time frame that I'm going to be focused on for the new week, okay, to find our entry levels and also exit levels, okay, because I follow my signals in the public channel. Okay, this is my levels for the new week. So let's talk about it. On the H4 time frame, okay, you can see that this candle, okay, the last candle on Friday, the last H4 candle on Friday is closing bullish above this resistance right here. So this tells me that this resistance has already been retested, okay, on the H4 time frame. You can see that here the resistance and gold made a strong bullish move on the H4 time frame, and here on this candle it managed to reject a little bit, and sellers was looking like it is going to push the price down. But then this H4 candle barely closing below this previous H4 candle, okay, it made a bearish candle but didn't close this with a bearish engulfing pattern, just closing about a quarter, okay, before it reaches the previous candle's lowest point. So this tells me that this candle already taken orders from sellers, but then the next candle after that made a strong bullish closure, okay, eating this candle before that, which is it is making a bullish engulfing closure, and then after that continue the bullish momentum, breaking above this resistance level. So this level right now has become the support level because gold already made a strong bullish closure on the H4 time frame above this zone. So for next week, okay, based on this H4 time frame, what we can expect is, based on the momentum, okay, right here we can see clearly, okay, if you draw bearish trend line on this H4 time frame, also gold already broke this bearish trend line, okay, here it breaks really beautifully and then made a continuation to the upside. So that's why I'm sticking with my bullish bias for the new week, but we have to see what happens during the market open and to see what the updates in the market and plan our trades accordingly, okay. But right now what I'm seeing is gold is looking like it is going to continue its bullish momentum for the new week. So what we can do is, and where is our buying zones for the new week? The first one would be right here, okay, at around the 700 level. If gold rejected tomorrow when the market opens, what we can do is we have to wait for gold and see what it's going to do when it retested this level, okay. I'm expecting for a bullish rejection at this level, okay, because we also have a trend line right here. So if gold tomorrow on Monday, if it made a strong, okay, bullish opening to the upside and then retested this RBS on H4 and also this trend line, I will be looking for opportunities to buy. Okay, if it breaks, what happens? If it breaks, okay, what I will be doing is to wait for gold to retest this next zone on the H4 time frame at around 26.90, okay, here. be exact, I'll be waiting for right here 26.92 and around 26.85. This is the H4 zones. Of course, this is a H1 zone. Forgive me, I marked this zone based on the H1 time frame. Okay, let's look at it to see clearer. Why that I marked that zone? Okay, because we have a strong reaction on the H1 time frame previously right here when gold retested this support. So this is the next zone. If gold break this H4 level, okay, I'll be looking for next opportunity to buy at this level. Okay, and the next level, if gold did also break this level, we'll be looking for opportunities to buy if you get a strong bullish reaction at this level. Okay, and so on and so forth. And the last zone, okay, for the new week, that I'm expecting gold to hold if it's going to continue the bullish momentum to the upside is around this area. Okay, if gold managed to hold this area for the new week around 26.47 and 26.50, this is the last zone that I'm looking for opportunities to buy in expectation for the bullish momentum to continue. If this zone breaks and gold made a strong bearish market structure shift, I'll be looking for the next opportunity, maybe plan my trade accordingly, probably looking for bearish opportunities to sell and so forth. Okay, but for now, from the charts, I'm just seeing a bullish momentum, and gold from the high time frame, okay, it is looking like the daily time frame is strongly bullish. Okay, it closes this daily candle like this with a barely showing us a wick. Okay, this is strong closing with the body right here. So for the new week, I'm expecting for the bullish momentum to continue and for gold to retest at least this 27.42 level. Okay, and probably even higher at this level. Okay, why? Okay, this is where we have to talk about the news. Okay, based on the technicals, yes, we saw a strong bearish reaction. Okay, last week, not last week, 2 weeks before, the past 2 weeks. Okay, not last week. Last week we had a strong bullish momentum, but for the past 2 weeks, we see a strong bearish reaction. But then this bearish reaction clearly right now has been faded out with this strong bullish momentum from gold last week. Why this? Why that this happened? Okay, let's talk about it. This is where we have to look at the news. Okay, this is the news that has been released last week. Gold is up 5% this week because it is a preferred hedge to global risk, said UBS. Okay, UBS is also the biggest bank which manage huge assets and also traded gold. So for last week, gold prices were heading for more than 5% weekly gain as missile attacks between Russia and Ukraine intensified, stocking demand for haven asset. So what this means is, even though from the technicals, okay, we saw a bearish move here, but then last week gold made a strong bullish recovery because we had an update, also sentiment with the war that is happening in the Ukraine, so Russia. So that's why gold is pumping up, because during uncertain times, as usual, gold will be safe haven assets and investors will bring their money out from the stock market and everything and just pumping their money into gold as a safe haven asset to hedge against the risk that probably will be appearing during these uncertain times with the war and everything. And also here, we also saw this news release: gold futures rise as geopolitical tensions drive safe haven demand. Market talk: the precious metal has recovered more than half its losses since a fresh record at the end of October was swiftly followed by a sharp sell-off. Okay, the sell-off was due to Trump's winning the election and also the positive and optimistic outlook from investors with Trump's future policies. But right now, given the threat of an escalation in the war in Ukraine, it gains reflect safe haven demand, Commerzbank analyst says in a note. So few banks also made analysis and talk about the issues, also the war sentiment in Ukraine and Russia, and that's why they said gold is pumping up. And here we can see that from this news, gold fell sharply following Donald Trump's win in the US election as the dollar surged. Okay, while the metal is not yet challenging the October 30 record high of US 2800, it has recovered ground as international tensions rise. Okay, so for next week, okay, if gold continues to go up and if the war keeps on escalating, and we have a new updates between the war, not only between Ukraine and Russia, probably in the Middle East, between Gaza, Israel, Lebanon, and so on. We probably see gold still continues the bullish momentum and going up, possibly retesting 2800 level. Okay, and then let's look at what will be the news or high impact news that we're gonna have for the new week. Here on Monday, okay, we don't have high impact news, okay, we just have medium impact news, low impact news right here. But we're gonna start have our high impact news on Tuesday. Okay, the first one will be from my time, UTC +8 or GMT +8, Kuala Lumpur time. We're gonna have our first high impact news on Tuesday at 11 o'clock on the night, which is the consumer confidence data. Okay, based on this trading view calendar, this is also not a high impact, but if you look at the Forex Factory, which was the main source that I was referred to get high impact news data and also the fastest update. Okay, this is only for my reference for the new week news. So we're gonna have consumer confidence on Tuesday at 11 o'clock, and then on Wednesday we're gonna have core PCE price index month over month, and also we're gonna have our GDP growth rate quarter on quarter. This is also important news, GDP, and we're gonna have initial jobless claims or unemployment claims based on several news sources. For example, Forex Factory. Okay, here it said initial jobless claim, but this is just the name. But the news is the main news is about jobs. Okay, we're gonna see whether the job sector is improving or it is weakening in the US, and that will impact gold in the long run. Okay, and then that is on Wednesday, and on Thursday. Okay, here we don't have any high impact news, and so on Friday as well we don't have any high impact news based on this trading view calendar. But based on Forex Factory on Thursday at 3 AM my time, we're gonna have FOMC meeting minutes release. So that's gonna be high impact news as well. I'm gonna update with you guys as usual in the public channel and also in the VIP channel. So guys, if you guys have any question, you can ask me. Okay, or else, okay, that's gonna be my live market outlook session for the new week. Okay, as usual for my wolves, I will update more about my mappings tomorrow, and also my fundamental update, and also all the other main important updates before we start trading tomorrow. So just stay tuned, make sure you funded your accounts, okay, get your deposits done if you have low funds, and if you have not withdrawn your profits, just withdraw your profits and just left your trading capital there and be ready for the new week. Okay, and for the new week, keep following my signals, let's make more profits. Okay, let's start fresh, keep being motivated. It's going to be an interesting week as usual. So guys, I wish you guys all the best. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me. JMT said, keep up the good work, we are proud of you. Thank you so much, JMT. Hello Zach, hello, what up? Okay, my chatters and my wolves, do you have any question? If not, okay, I will be waiting just for maybe 1 or 2 minutes more, because it's already midnight right here. Okay, I'm gonna have my rest before the market open. So let's see if you have any question. Okay, if not, we're gonna end the session, and I wish you guys also all the best for the new week. I hope you guys are paying attention. Okay, this is my analysis mostly. Okay, I'm mapping my zones right here based on the high time frame. So usually when you are doing your high time frame analysis, when gold reaches there, when you look at your low time frame, you can monitor the reaction, okay, and plan your trades. Okay, for example here I'm looking to buy. So for tomorrow when the market opens, if price reaches right here, I will be monitoring for bullish rejections. Okay, if I see the bullish rejections, I will find my opportunities to buy and looking for and expecting for the market to continue to go up and get my profits. Okay, that is how these zones work, and that is how I wait for my entries and release the signals for you guys. Okay, looks like you guys don't have any questions. Chat is my wolves. Okay, it's been a great session. Okay, I wish you guys all the best for the new week. Let's get more profits. Be ready, fund your account as usual. Okay, I will be updating more in the channel and sharing you guys the signals and also the updates as usual for the new week. So just be ready to make profits. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, see ya.